All right, so proper oxygenation in your water in an aquaponics system is pretty key. So what I'm going to utilize, instead of having an air pump just humming away all the time, which gets pretty annoying and they burn out all the time, using the INFUSINATor. This is a little Venturi device that was made by Bigelow Farms. Picked it up a couple years ago for the old system. Didn't work out so well because my drainage wasn't the best, but thing just screws right into a 1/2-inch threaded adapter, female adapter. Put that into a 3/4 inch piece of pipe, which is what I have plumbed out for the feed. And what's going to happen here is the feed water is going to come in where it gets choked down here. It creates a high pressure area, and then as it passes through the middle, it expands out to create a low pressure area, which is going to draw oxygen or air, just regular old air. It's not purified. It's going to draw that in through a tube that'll be sitting out at the top of the tank, and then when it shoots out, there'll be all sorts of little bubbles. So as I was saying, the air intake is just now this passive intake, open hole. If you listen closely, I'm not sure if you're picking that up, but if you listen closely, you can hear the water just being pulled on in there. So, no extra pump needed. Just a little 1/4 inch line. And we got a little bubbler. So, that's it. INFUSINATOR.com. These guys are not a sponsor. I found out about them in an aquaponics group on Facebook a couple years back when they were first prototyping this, and got in as one of the first people. I think I pre-ordered before they even had the molds done, and was super excited to get it. Worked a little bit in the old system, but like I said, there wasn't enough drainage to really push enough water into the tank to really maximize the output of the Venturi. But looks like we're going to be pretty good here. And right now I'm even limited with the drainage because I have a modified drain in here. Eventually I'm going to have, once the tilapia are big enough, I'm going to have that pipe that's laying in the bottom going all the way down. That'll be our solids lifting pipe. So I can crank this thing up, and basically all the solids at the bottom will just kind of get sucked up into it and through the filters. But yeah, pretty cool. If you need an aeration system, check them out. INFUSINATOR.com. I think it's an awesome little product, and it's made here in the US, or at least it was when I bought it. So check them out.